you think about the products Hexagon makes, we offer a solution to ensure that manufacturers are making something correctly. Anyone can make something, right? But we ensure they're making it correctly, whether it's medical devices or jet engines or critical automotive parts. Those are things you have to get right.
Hexagon produces products that can measure way more fine detail than you would imagine. Our products can measure down to microns, so thousandths of a millimeter, and extremely quickly.
You know, a lot of people see assembly jobs and they think they're going to be sitting down and looking through a microscope and doing a soldering or something like that. There's nothing like that here. We are a tight group. We work as a team.
What you see here isn't a section of machinists. It's a group of people that cares about what they do and is professional in that, but also cares about who they work with and how they get along.
The best thing about Hexagon, especially within my past position, is you get to work with so many different departments and so many different people. And there's so many different product lines within Hexagon too, if you're working with CMMs or if you're working with Romer. We also have a huge wide variety of a customer base too. So my job is different every day.
All the brand names that you know of, whether it's your dishwasher or the car you drive, those are our customers.
The products that we are using are used throughout the world. So we do cooperate with the different countries to make sure that the products will work.
I've been able to spend a lot of my full-time work working with our German colleagues, and I've been able to travel a lot. I mean, I've been over to the UK on a business trip, Germany. It's nice to get the cultural collaboration as well as the technical. We don't just collaborate within our company, we collaborate with our customers as well. We might be the measurement experts, but I get the opportunity to work with people who are aerospace experts, the people who are automotive experts. There's all these experts out in the world, and you get to interface with them.
I went to Italy for a month for the company. I mean, I would have never been able to travel overseas without that opportunity.
At Hexagon, it has the feel of a small company in that you can get to know the people that you work with, and it's great because it's a collaborative environment. But you also have the benefits of a large corporation.
And the benefits are great. The healthcare and all that stuff is great.
I think the benefits are fantastic. I had the opportunity to take advantage of the tuition reimbursement, which helped me to finish and complete my business degree. So I see that as a significant value. So on top of medical benefits, 401k is another great benefit as well.
When I tell my friends and family how much I'm getting, like from a 401k match, they really don't believe me often. Really, one of the best benefits though is that my supervisor is really committed to my work-life balance, which is really important to me.
The company benefits are fantastic, but I would say for me the benefit is being in a job that you like to be in. All the benefits in the world, you know, if you don't like your position, then it's not going to be worth it.
When you spend more than half of your waking hours at a certain job, you have to like what you do.